First time in V3. It's gonna get interesting.
What is going on YouTube? I am back with another video. I got the beast chopping in the back, but I also got a special guest. I got my brother Shans, and I'm about to take him for his first ride in the Ctsv V3. He's gonna have the camera, I'm gonna do all the driving. So stay tuned, we about to have some fun. We are at mass acceleration. A bunch of cars out right now, but let's go for this ride. Y'all tune in, leave a comment on his reaction. Let's go.
First time in V3. It's gonna get interesting.
It's gonna get a little warm in here because I ain't got the AC, you know. Fast cars, I need all the horsepower I got.
Race car things.
Yep. It is lagging a little bit. I can feel it. So, we may have to check that for that.
You know, look at this screaming.
I got hot already.
Look at this screaming, dog.
Come on.
Video don't do no justice.
I just noticed it. I don't think that was out earlier. It's a nice little white rim, white Supra.
Yeah, I got that map for it up.
Come on. Somebody got to change the light. All right, go ahead.
Bad influence on my life, dog. Bad influence on my life.
Woo. It's gonna go heat up in here real quick though. Until we get to where I can see what's on the bottom.
You go through the same thing too? Where you double tap the gas?
Yeah.
Mine do.
Pat, go, man.
Mm-hmm.
Pat, and go.
Mine do the same thing.
Alright. I don't see no white truck yet. Or is that a white truck? I don't know. It says be prepared to stop, but. Oh, I lied. The speed limit, 55. It's just the engine sound.
Yeah, he's talking about the gas mileage right now. How much gas we got left to eat?
Gotta turn the AC because we're gonna cruise on the way back.
You hear it too?
Yeah. Ha! We finna find out what that is, my boy.
I thought I was tripping at first. I said, hold on, maybe it's a road.
Nah, we finna find out.
Race car things, man.
Yeah, brother.
everybody that said they want sports cars and fast cars, man. Look at it. It's fun.
Sounds like plastic.
It's fun till shit start breaking.
You know how that goes, man.
It's on the driver's side.
I don't know what that is, but we gonna get to the shop and find out, my boy. Record that. Get close to that. I don't know that.
Yo, wait. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but
It's something clicking every time I hit the gas.
yeah.
G finna be pissed at me, bro. I'm telling you. G finna be so mad at me, bro.
There's something with a throttle.
Yup.
Thought about it, maybe.
Either way, hopefully he enjoyed his first ride.
Oh, most definitely.
Some. I wish I knew, fellas. We're gonna end the video right here because I don't want to get cursed out by G. So we gonna go back to the shop and I'm gonna tell him, and he's gonna lose his brain.